If you need to reset your Dropbox password, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. Step 1. Go to the Dropbox login page. Visit the official Dropbox website and navigate to the login page where you normally enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Your Password. On the login page, look for the link that says Forgot Your Password and click on it. This will direct you to the password recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Dropbox account in the provided field. Make sure it is the correct email to receive the password reset instructions. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for an email from Dropbox. This email will contain a link to reset your password. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Create a new password. Click on the link in the email, which will take you to a page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password, ensuring it meets the security requirements, and confirm it. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Dropbox account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Dropbox support for further assistance.